So hi guys, today I'm making a puzzle. One, just tell me just comment down below you want to tell me when to make new videos and I will make them. Because I'm going to do it. So today I'm going to make a video of a puzzle. So I'm going to build it now. So I don't know where okay. Start. Okay, here we are, guys. I'm done. And so you see the puzzle. Do that way, you can see them different. You do it that way, you can see them this way. You can see it this different that way. He's laying down on his face. Now he's not. And Bob's different ways. Different and blue. So this is